Welcome to the Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. As immigrants ourselves, we have experienced firsthand the excitement of starting anew while navigating the complexities of life in America. Our podcast was born out of a deep desire to offer support and guidance to others like us, those who are already living here or dreaming of making the leap. Each week, we share 3 thoughtfully crafted episodes that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving professional success and mastering financial literacy. Our mission is simple: to empower you with valuable insights and practical advice as you chart your own path in this diverse land. Whether you're seeking tips on improving your English skills or looking for inspiration on how to thrive in your new environment, we're here for you every step of the way. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA. Welcome to the Immigrants in the United States of America podcast. For the next few months, our podcast episodes published on Mondays will include excerpts from Maestro Sersea's ebook, Steps to Achieving the American Dream, a guide for immigrants in the USA, to help you further understand, be more motivated, and thrive in the United States of America. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Welcome to Maestro Sersea's podcast, Immigrants in the USA, where we share helpful tips and insights to inspire immigrants to thrive and reach their American dream. In today's episode, we will listen to the ebook Steps to Achieving the American Dream, a guide for immigrants to the United States by Maestro Sersea, and will focus on Chapter 5, Cultural Adaptation and Integration, including subchapters Understanding Cultural Differences and Norms, and Overcoming Culture Shock and Homesickness. Are you ready? Let's begin. Chapter 5, Cultural Adaptation and Integration. Understanding Cultural Differences and Norms. In this subchapter, I will explore the complexities of American customs, etiquette, and social expectations. Understanding cultural nuances is crucial for immigrants to navigate social interactions with confidence and foster a sense of belonging and community. One of the primary cultural differences that newcomers must be mindful of is the concept of personal space. Many countries have a habit of standing close during conversations, but personal space is highly valued in American culture. People find it respectful and appropriate when one maintains a comfortable distance during a dialogue. Adjusting to this may take some time, but being mindful of personal boundaries will help immigrants adapt more smoothly to their new environment. Furthermore, grasping American greetings and expressions of politeness is essential for establishing positive relationships. In the United States, it is customary to greet acquaintances and strangers with a smile, handshake, or nod of acknowledgement. Saying hello or hi, along with a warm gesture, demonstrates friendliness and openness. Additionally, when meeting someone for the first time, introducing oneself with a firm handshake and making eye contact conveys self-assurance and respect. Engaging in small talk, often centered around topics such as weather, sports, or current events, is also a common way to initiate conversations. Another aspect of American culture that can be perplexing for immigrants is the significance placed on punctuality. Being on time for appointments, meetings, and social engagements is highly valued in the United States. Arriving a few minutes early or promptly at the designated time shows respect for others' time and is considered a sign of professionalism and reliability. By embracing punctuality as a cultural norm, immigrants can create positive impressions and build trust in their personal and professional relationships. Furthermore, it is crucial for immigrants to familiarize themselves with the unspoken rules of social interaction in the United States. For instance, offering compliments and expressing gratitude are common and valued practices. Americans appreciate genuine recognition and expressions of appreciation, whether it's for a job well done or for their hospitality. Saying please and thank you not only serves as basic politeness, but also reflects a positive attitude and consideration for others. Additionally, understanding the concept of personal responsibility and self-reliance is integral to embracing American culture. The American dream often emphasizes the virtues of hard work, determination, and individual success. Immigrants who aspire to achieve their own American dream are encouraged to take initiative, set goals, and persevere in the face of challenges. Self-motivation, coupled with a strong work ethic, will undoubtedly contribute to an immigrant's path to success and their integration into American society. In conclusion, this subchapter has illuminated the cultural differences and norms prevalent in the United States. By immersing themselves in American customs and etiquette, immigrants can bridge the gap between their upbringing and the values of their new home. Embracing the intricacies of personal space, greetings, punctuality, expressions of politeness, and self-reliance will empower immigrants to seamlessly integrate into American society and achieve their own version of the American dream. With an open mind and a willingness to adapt, every immigrant who aspires to achieve the American dream can attain success. Overcoming culture shock and homesickness. Upon arrival in the United States of America, I experienced a range of emotions. Excitement and optimism were intertwined with feelings of confusion and loneliness. These mixed emotions are commonly referred to as culture shock, which occurs when we are suddenly immersed in a new culture that differs significantly from our own. Culture shock can manifest in various ways. For some individuals, it may be the language barrier that leaves them feeling isolated and hesitant to communicate. For others, it may be the unfamiliar societal norms and customs that challenge their beliefs and values. Regardless of the form it takes, culture shock can be overwhelming. However, have no fear, dear reader, for I have navigated this challenging path and emerged stronger on the other side. In this subchapter, I will provide practical tips and strategies to help you overcome culture shock and homesickness, enabling you to fully embrace your journey towards the American dream. The first step in overcoming culture shock is to recognize and accept the emotions you are experiencing. It is perfectly normal to feel a sense of longing for your homeland or to feel overwhelmed by the differences you encounter daily. Rather than suppressing these feelings, embrace them and allow yourself to grieve the loss of your familiar surroundings. It is through this process of acceptance that true adaptation can occur. Once you have acknowledged your emotions, it is important to actively seek support from those around you. The immigrant community itself can be one of the most valuable resources available to you. Reach out to fellow immigrants who have faced similar challenges and listen to their stories. This shared experience will not only create a bond of unity, but also provide you with valuable insights and coping strategies. In addition to seeking support within the immigrant community, reach out to local organizations and agencies that cater specifically to the needs of immigrants. Many cities have centers dedicated to assisting newcomers, offering language courses, job placement services, and cultural integration programs. These resources can be a lifeline during the early stages of your journey and can facilitate a smoother transition into your new life. While relying on others for support is crucial, actively engaging in the process of adaptation is equally important. Embrace the cultural differences and view them as opportunities for personal growth. Immerse yourself in the local customs, cuisine, and traditions. This will not only help you feel more connected to your new surroundings, but also broaden your perspective and enrich your overall experience. Another effective strategy for overcoming culture shock is to maintain a sense of familiarity amidst the unfamiliar. This could involve cooking your favorite comfort foods from your home country or conversing in your native language with friends and family. By incorporating elements of your own culture into your daily life, you can strike a balance between the old and the new, easing the shock of the transition. Lastly, make a conscientious effort to explore and understand the culture in which you find yourself. Take the time to learn about the history, traditions, and values of America. Participate in cultural activities, attend local events, and actively work on building connections with individuals from diverse backgrounds. The more you comprehend and appreciate the culture in which you are now a part, the easier it will be to adapt and thrive. Remember, dear reader, that you are not alone in this journey. We are all immigrants, united by the common goal of achieving the American dream. Through resilience, determination, and the strategies outlined in this subchapter, you will be able to conquer culture shock and homesickness, opening doors to endless possibilities and opportunities in the land of dreams.
Thank you for listening to today's episode of our Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. Join us again as we share 3 distinct episodes each week that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving personal and professional success and mastering financial literacy. You are invited to also visit our official website for Immigrants in the USA at www.immigrantsinthe.us. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA.